Daniel placed their first.
It was one person for sure. It is right there. So where to go?
Allá donde estábamos,
wants to help you spend your playtime. Immediately reimbursing your first $40 off with $20 in player payback free play credits.
He's not been starting his roll for the last 45 minutes.
Whatever. It's still a defense for old dogs.
I need the hat on it. Oh my God, look at it. Oh my God, I can see that stick. Yeah.
$3 any beer, domestic or foreign, bottled beer. If you sit at a slot table, this young lady here will bring you a tap beer. And I don't care what you ask for, you're going to get a Pabst Blue Ribbon tap beer. You're going to have a hangover tomorrow if you don't watch it. 4 sliders, French fries, and a drink, $9.99. They have not raised their prices since they opened. Ooh, they have fish sliders. You get 2 of those in the combo. I never had the fish. Cheese slider, $10.99. That's pretty good of them. They have not increased their price since they opened. Oh God, how many years ago is that? Golly, it's probably 8 years. Let's say 8 years. The price seemed really high when they opened, but then all of a sudden, you know, they haven't raised it. Pretty nice.
Awarding card players with easier payback free play credits. Earn $20 plus payback free slot play for your first 20 logs, and $20 for every $100 of loss thereafter.
11.99 for a 9-inch pizza. That's actually one of the best deals in Vegas on the Strip. $11.99. You could share it. That way you can keep drinking. If you eat that by yourself, you might want to conk out. And plus, the girl that works there, she's there almost every night. And she's absolutely gorgeous. Now, who in the world, with her looks, would keep working at Pizza Hut? You gotta think, wow, she's really giving up a lot of money on the modeling or the OnlyFans. Funny to see young kids playing slot machine. You don't see that very often. $3.49 for the big dog, long dog. They don't show it to you anymore. That's what she said. So it's kind of weird. I don't know why they changed that. The rooms are really nice here, and what's unique about them is you go downstairs, or you walk, if you're on the first floor, you go right out onto the strip. You could roll out of bed and end up in the middle of Las Vegas Boulevard. You probably don't want to do that, but if you wanted to, you could. It's just one door and you're out. It's the closest rooms to the strip, on the strip, bar none. See, that swimming pool is all yours. Hardly anyone uses it. The rooms are they keep them modern. They change the mattresses often. Price is going to be similar to well, they're a little more than Harrah's and Flamingo, I'll tell you that. Even they don't charge a resorts fee. They're going to be over $100, a little over $100 most nights. I think they got some nights you might get under 100. This one girl is taking care of this entire casino, and she does it every night. I don't think she misses a night. And if you're here and you come back in a month, she'll remember what you're drinking. She's that good. This one right here.
He wasn't a hedge fund. He was just a person who bought that. I mean, in a way, hedge fund.
Here's the guest room's door right here. Use your room key and you're in your room in a minute. And then whenever you want to leave, you're right. Look at how close you are. You roll. If that fence wasn't there, you could roll right onto the boulevard. I guess it's good that fence is there.
Looks like the same thing.